In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up a slow Excel workbook full of SUMIFS and XLOOKUP. Start by opening Excel and opening your workbook. Once it's loaded, look at the bottom of the window and click the Summary tab, then click cell B2, and notice that the SUMIFS formula here scans entire columns. Sales E to E and sales B to B, which is over 1,000,000 cells each. Now click cell C2, and you'll see 3 separate XLOOKUPs across C2, D2, and E2, where each one searches all of products A to A again for the same key. Now let's switch calculation to manual while you edit. Click the Formulas tab in the ribbon at the top. Then click Calculation Options in the Calculation group on the far right. From the drop-down that appears, click Manual. With this setting on, edits won't trigger a recalculation. To recalculate on demand, press F9 for a full recalc, or Shift plus F9 for the active sheet only. Press F9 now to confirm the values still update properly. Next, we'll convert the data to tables and fix the SUMIFS range. Click the Sales tab at the bottom. Click any cell inside the sales data, for example A2. Then press Ctrl plus T to open the Create Table dialog. Confirm that My Table as Headers is checked, then click OK. The data is now an Excel table. With a cell inside the new table selected, go to the Table Design tab in the ribbon, and in the table name box at the far left, type Sales TBL. Then press Enter. Now click the Products tab. Click any cell inside the product data. Press Ctrl plus T, confirm the Headers option, and click OK. Then in Table Design, rename that table to Products TLB. Click the Summary tab. Click cell B2, and replace the formula in the formula bar with a structured reference version. Feel free to copy the formula shown on screen and change its values to match your own file. Then press Enter. Click B2 again and drag the fill handle in the bottom right corner down to B4 to copy the new formula to every row. The SUMIFS now scans only the actual 20 data rows instead of 1,000,000. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's collapse those repeated XLOOKUPs into one let plus XMATCH formula. Still on the Summary tab, select cells C2 to E4 and press Delete to clear the 3 XLOOKUP columns. Click cell C2 and type the replacement formula in the formula bar. Copy the formula shown on screen and adjust its values so it works on your file. Then press Enter. The single formula spills across C2 to E2, filling name, category, and unit price at once, with only one match lookup per row. Click C2 and drag the fill handle down to C4. Each row now does one XMATCH instead of 3 XLOOKUPs, cutting lookup work by roughly 2/3. Press F9 to recount the workbook and confirm every cell shows the correct product info. The Summary tab now shows the same 3 product rows with identical revenue, name, category, and unit price values, but each formula scans a tight table range instead of whole columns. The 3 XLOOKUPs per row had been replaced by a single spilling let plus XMATCH lookup, and the workbook only recalculates when you press F9. On a real workbook with thousands of rows and hundreds of these formulas, the combined effect is a dramatic reduction in calculation time. A few important notes before you finish. Don't forget to flip calculation back to automatic before sharing the file. Go to Formulas, then Calculation Options, then Automatic once you're done editing. Otherwise, colleagues will see stale values, since Calc mode saves with the workbook. HS-TAC and LET require Excel 365 or Excel 2021 or newer. If your version is older, rewrite Step 4 as 3 separate LET formulas using XMATCH and index in C2, D2, and E2. You still get the structured range benefit, you just lose the single match savings. For a bonus speedup on very large sorted lookup tables, if product's table product ID is sorted ascending, you can add 2 as XMATCH's last argument to use binary search, which is orders of magnitude faster on 100, 1,000 plus row tables. Our demo table is only 5 rows, so it doesn't matter here. The tiny demo dataset won't feel slow on camera, so keep in mind